Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be ways to recover your deleted photos or posts from Facebook. So basically, to recover your deleted photos or posts from Facebook, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So basically, all you have to do is log in and tap on the tab bar icon and go to the settings icon. After that, it's going to take you to settings and privacy page. While you're on this, scroll down right to the bottom and go to the section that says your information, and under it you'll be able to find tiny options. Just go ahead and select download your information. Now, in order to proceed on, click the continue button. That's going to redirect you to the other page where it's going to ask you to select download or transfer information. So make sure to unmark all of those accounts that you actually don't need it and click the next button. On the other field, it's going to ask you to select whether you want to go with the available information that must include all of these, or you want to specify the type of information that you need. So select specify the type, and from here go to post and just tap the next button, and here you need to select the device where you actually want to download the information and all that. Go through it and click on create file. Now you have to wait patiently until you get further notified. So that's basically how you can recover your deleted photos from Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.